With Monday being the official start of the new school year, the Education Ministry claims it's not anticipating any glitches. Minister with responsibility, Muda, says his assurance is based on the fact that the essential elements are in place. TVJ's Kirk Wright has details from a press conference today.
Providing teachers with low import duty cars has been suggested by the Jamaica Teachers Association JTA as one way of incentivizing teaching to make it more attractive for teachers and help keep them in the country. That's another story we will explore on another day. But the point is, many teachers use public transportation daily because they do not have their own vehicle to drive to and from work, which we are told makes it stressful and sometimes unsafe. Newly installed President of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Owen Speed, suggests the government extend its bus service to teachers.
I'm seeing the Bloomfield buses and I see that they are underutilized. The seats are empty. Many of the times I pass them like at Bull Bay coming into Kingston, and I am saying that they could just fit in the teachers right there into some of those seats so that the teachers will get to school on time and get to school in a comfortable way. It is not a good thing to have teachers and every student and so on traveling on the same bus. I believe that teachers should have a school bus too. If you count the number of teachers that are traveling from, let's say, Portmore into Kingston per day, you would get more than enough teachers to carry out, to travel on the school bus.
Mr. Speed says his association has identified the most troublesome routes as it relates to students who utilize the public transport system. Those routes are in Clarendon and Portland, and he wants increased attention from the police on those routes.
Like Portland, we're going from Port Antonio to Happy Grove, which is situated in Hector's River, that the children going to school there, they have to be sitting in each other's lap. That for me is not something that should be tolerated. We need to go back to the place where they would remove those heavy-duty sound systems from the buses, because that is what is enticing the children to travel in certain buses and not wanting to go on, let's say, a school bus if a school bus is there. We see in other places to other parishes where the same situation obtains. I went to Claude McKay in Clarendon, and that route is also bad too in terms of the children getting to school.
The JTA boss says he recognizes the shortage faced by the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC with its fleet, but urged the government to extend its rural bus service to more schools. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.